Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. Today we wanted to give you a good look at one of our great interior options here. Now this is for your Roadster. You'll see we have a seat, some e-brake and shifter components, and some door panels. So starting with the seat here, this is our diamond stitch seat option. This is a fantastic seat. This is based on our same kind of Roadster style seat frame, just with a different cover and padding on it, so it's still a very, very comfortable seat. You'll notice that this is a suede centered seat with the black diamond stitching in it. This was first launched as part of the 25th anniversary package, but we wanted to kind of change it up when we brought it to production. So this is using the same leather surround as our leather seat option, just like I said, with that kind of different centered. So gives it a different style when you're kind of going through your interior options. To match with these seats, we have our door panel option. And these door panels are fantastic. It is an aluminum based kind of backed panel, so it's very sturdy once you mount it to your door. You'll notice it uses the same materials as the seat, so it matches perfectly when you're putting your interior together. The same suede and black stitching and leather surround, so you have a complete style throughout your interior. Now, with the door panel and seat option, we also have our leather e-brake boot and shifter boot option. These are both made by Vanson Leathers. They're a fantastic company. They're based here in Fall River, Massachusetts, and they've been around forever doing high quality leather products like this. So these were first launched with the 30th anniversary package, but we wanted to bring them to production. So you see you have this great shifter boot here, perfect fit for our shifter package that comes with the car, and our e-brake boot. Now this is compatible with the Mark V, and it comes with all the trim ring and hardware components that you'll need to install those. So whether you're looking to upgrade your existing build or start your build off strong, the Diamond Stitch leather interior package is a fantastic choice. Now we have all these parts separately, or if you're looking to order a Mark V, this is a complete package, so you can get everything that you need to take your interior to the next level. So if you have any questions, give us a call or reach out on the website. Buy our seats.